Ricochet allows stores to attach multiple tax rates to a single item. Now, this is not necessarily going to be a common feature utilized with our customers in the United States, but it is one that commonly gets utilized within Canada. So, to utilize this feature, start out by going to Preferences, then to Admin, then click on the Taxes and Policies tab. Now here you're going to see your default tax rate, as well as any additional tax rates you may have created if you're already utilizing multiple tax rates within the system. Next, you can go ahead and toggle on the Multi-Tax Rate Items toggle. And if you do need to create any additional tax rates, you can do so by clicking the orange plus button, typing in a title for the tax rate, and then that rate in the secondary field. Also noting that tax rates are put in as a full number integer. You won't need to do a decimal point or anything like that. So if your tax rate is 3%, just type in 3. You don't need to put 0.3. Now, when adding in inventory, you will have the tax rate option. But if you click the drop-down menu, it's going to allow you to add in a secondary tax rate. So if you do have combined tax rates for both federal and local, you can use this to attach to items this way. This will now also be available when utilizing the manual sale feature. In case you need to add in an item on the fly, you can attach multiple tax rates. And at the end of the day, all this information will be broken down on your sales summary and sales detail report.